BJP National General Secretary Rituraj Sinha said that the party will introspect and do a post-mortem investigation into the dismal performance of the BJP in the recently concluded assembly polls in Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons in the city, Sinha said the question of why and how the party plans to further strengthen its presence in Meghalaya is a matter of introspection. Contented with the results, the BJP leader said that the party has accepted the mandate of the people of Meghalaya, even if it means winning just 2 seats from the 60 seats that the party fielded candidates in. Furthermore, he said the support that the BJP has got from the people of Meghalaya has grown since 2018.
After the campaign ends and the election results are out, you accept the mandate of the people, and BJP has done exactly that. No, absolutely, I don't believe so. I think the support that we've got in the state of Meghalaya has only grown from 2018. We have seen a large number of people join our party. We could field candidates in all 60 assembly segments. The kind of crowds that have turned up for BJP events are recorded on camera. So obviously our support base has grown. Why and what more can be done to further strengthen the party is a matter of introspection, and that goes on always.
Cabinet